Jayan Khandekar. Girish is my son-in-law. Girish Kovde, I mean. Really like this center. It's beautiful. Ambience is beautiful. Very nice.
I'm father of Dr. Ashe Karpe, putting all his effort in improving the patient. He basically, actually, when he was born and my father was there, his ambitions were there that he should become a doctor.
Wow.
And of course, that time we think doctor means MBBS or MD, not more than that. But nowadays the things have been changed and he has reached up to this DM, DNB and all.
Congratulations to Dr. Ashe and the entire team of Sunrise Oncology Center for their new center, and special congratulations to Dr. Bharat Bhosle, who is going to take care of this particular clinic. And as my father said regarding Dr. Ashe, he was a very good student, and as far as I am considered, he is the best brother. When it comes any problem, he is always ready to give his everything. So that's how he is always into his profession also.
10वी चांगल्या मार्कानं पास झाला. 11-12 विवेकानंद कॉलेजला झाले त्याचे. तो पण चांगल्या मार्काने पास झाला. नंतर त्याला इंजिनिअरिंग पण मिळालं आणि डॉक्टरीला पण मिळालं. पण ते डॉक्टरीला घेतलं. MBBS पुण्याला केलं. नंतर MD मेडिसिनला डिग्री मिळाली. ती औरंगाबादला केली. नंतर मुंबईला आला. ती ओंकाराची DMची डिग्री करायला. तिथं 3 वर्षाची डिग्री झाली. खडतर प्रवास करून माझ्या मुलानं रात्रंदिवस अभ्यास करून हे सगळं त्यानं डिग्री मिळवली. मोठा डॉक्टर झाला. ते मला फार आनंद झाला आहे त्याचा, आणि मला अभिमान वाटतो की माझ्या मुलानं एवढं सगळं केलं.